All right, welcome back. Now, we talk about, before the break, we talk about Patoranking. As you don't come outside, talk say,
He ain't a baby papa.
Now, you don't come outside, talk say, you don't get baby. So stuff now, when they talk say, you get baby. I am not a baby daddy yet, or I not get baby yet.
I like that yet.
Yeah. Now, what do you
And now what you right
yet?
now?
So he still they get plans to become.
Of course.
If you have
Father.
He go become father or someday. So
Baby daddy.
now we no
father.
what he we know if he talk say baby daddy or baby what till that time come. If he decide to be a real daddy or a baby daddy.
Is there a fake daddy?
No,
Let's
the
fake
daddy,
daddy,
the daddy when
The daddy way.
Mommy.
I do wait for this person to get baby mama.
Who?
Would you be my lover?
Yes.
Banky W.
No. Why you did?
But you know, say Banky don't
Banky
try.
don't try.
If get born for Banky today, I go.
Banky don't try.
He like women, eh?
Because any girl, like Pimbi talk, any girl way born for Banky today,
I will hate her.
the girl try.
No, Banky is very smart.
Oh,
You know,
no.
I lie, get just carry belly come.
No, the thing is, you know why? It's so far, even with the lover boy thingy where we they hear and the guy don't try to make sure say he zip up. Everybody they do.
Huh?
When
Why you say
when I mean zip up,
No, say
when
it-
you know zip up, now then they
is
catch you.
relative.
Okay,
Yes, now.
okay.
As long as
You
I'm not
understand?
catching
When you know zip up, now
up.
they catch you.
Oh, wow.
If you thought say I do, where the sign? Show me.
Show proof.
Ah, they enter
Oh,
there.
Banky, they hear you for you.
You understand?
Another
But-
person will try still na the bunch.
Hey, Bengali.
The band don't
But
try.
wait.
And
Inside
they
my
fail.
mind, I
They
just feel
fail.
say Bengali. Something is fishy somewhere. He keep
Yes.
him very
No,
low key.
he don't come outside
Now
talk
we dey
now. He
talk
don't come
now.
outside talk and say he see himself getting married and having
Not be
children very
married,
soon.
baby daddy.
But yeah.
I feel say
Hopefully very
Bengali
soon.
get, but maybe
He
not
can't
be
keep am for
Nigerian girl,
cupboard or
but
something.
like keep him very low key. Me inside me. I just when I hear one they call when it happened. No, see one they call deciding on say you know what, because I want to flaunt this boy. I got to show to the world. The boy don't reach 4 or 5 years before everybody know. You understand? So me they say Bengali.
He's doing it on a secret level.
But I like men if he keep him and take care of the baby. No be when you know take care of the baby, now we go quarrel.
Yeah.
You know take care, we go talk him here, talk.
So we go talk and hear.
Yeah, but if you take care of the baby, good.
But I don't know what we should do.
Banky
But
don't
you know
need
what
to
it-
get. We need a get to.
No, we don't need a girl.
He doesn't need a girl.
No, make him
But you know
marry.
what? We know. I don't feel say whatever I would say now. If you actually change what they happen for the music entertainment industry, because this baby mama
Depends
thing.
on individual.
I feel say it just the start.
Trending.
I feel say it just the start. Very soon you go sit and say none of them they even marry again. Then I just baby mama.
We they always look at like say celebrities they exceptional, they too they like untouchable, they look at like it they happen for regular homes, it they happen for normal people. So the celebrity, how many celebrities we get for Nigeria? When our music industry and our entertainment industry even blew like that, where they even talk that kind of thing. We don't see people, I don't see one man for Benin wey born 86 children. 86 children with wives where you know even remember. You understand? But why the man they responsible to me be say he take responsibility for the one we actually identify with him.
And the other ones who call, what do you do?
The ones we identify with him, he take that's the children where the women bring come to him, saying your picking. He try
take
as
care of
much
them.
as possible to be part of their life. But the one way no come, obviously, because he's a player. She understand 86 children. 86. When the man died, what did they do better? They shut down Benin.
86.
Yeah, this is like 7 years ago.
The
They
man
shut
and
down
chief, I've been
Benin.
waiting.
Not obviously. He chief for Lagos, he chief for Benin.
I'm for grapes so they will give him
All
title.
right, so while we talk about that particular, so make we move on to our next story. Now, 31 years old Amada Fefe, and now where they're born with osteogenesis imperfecta. This one a severe form of brittle bone disease, and where they actually make a growth. They very, very you know say
Stunted.
person go old, you go see and say person don't
Young.
It
He
dey
don
very
dey
young, don dey
shrink.
shrink anyhow. Now, her dream don't come true. Wetin be her dream? She don't get married. She don't marry. I say get married. She don't marry. You know, some people you go feel say the situation where you dey in, say no man go ever love you. But she don't actually marry. Now doctors even tell her parents, say she not go leave. Say before morning, say she go actually die. But today, as in last week, she marry the man of her dreams. She said she never even dreamed, say she go actually say I do for inside church. He said to even think of marriage, you know, even they ahead. But she just, they see all those fairy tales, they watch her and they admire them. But now she's walking down the aisle with a man with a 6 feet tall, Stephen. 25 years old.
But she could be born.
I don't
Now,
know.
pikin be that.
They say although she did unable to stand on her wedding day, but her papa did very proud of her. And the man talks say he actually loved her, and seeing her walk down the
Carry her
aisle
like
was
a
a very
baby.
wonderful day for her.
Oh my goodness.
Now, is this not a case of miracles do happen?
In
Yes.
fact, when I see this story, because what interested me for the story, say she actually fit born pikin. Now wetin surprise
Okay, that baby
me.
na her-
That pikin wey dey decide na her
Wow,
pikin.
wow,
This-
wow.
In fact, I just shocked. I'm like, how she
Who is
take
the baby
get the
from?
belle?
This
Na the
25
man.
years,
Na
okay.
the man get the pikin. Because when you know the story, like doctor tell her parents now say, you know, go never dey possible for this woman to get belle. You know, go even dey
Or to even
possible.
live.
So she go leave. Say by the next day she go don die. My dear, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 16 years, this girl still their life. She can't get belle. She person where she
16.
did. I don't even know where she get the belle, but
Okay.
she and that
Guy
guy
meet at the age of 16.
they meet when
The
they
guy
dey
is
young.
25.
Oh, okay.
But they meet when they young. They don't they date. She don't meet other guys, but she know, she know
I know people
like.
go to date and out of curiosity. Just
Maybe exactly. What tell you think? Say they go fit dey date her. Say make she no feel say she dey rejected.
Yeah.
So they go just dey date her, and she obviously she get human feelings. She be human being.
yes.
So she actually they date them until she finally meet this meet him the guy, this man, Steven, when she got married now. Before she married the guy, when she found out say she get belle. In fact, she no believe am. She run go hospital tell them say see wetin dey happen. They say oh, say she don't get belle. Then she come dey think how she want to carry the pregnancy. But as God will have it, wetin science no fit do. Science allow her to carry the pikin.
God
She,
allow science to work.
God allow science to work.
So this entire case just means say there is always a man for a woman and a woman for a man.
Same.
Yeah.
Thank you. Because when you talk, say miracles do happen, I want to tell you, say, I know I agree. I believe in miracles, but I know we call this one miracle. I believe, say, for every man,
There's
woman,
a woman.
and for every
as well.
woman,
There's
they get
a
their
woman.
own man. Now, just the patience and then the hope and faith. Say, okay, one day it will happen. Because for her, she feel don't they desperate, they find maybe someone of her type. So, you know what's saying?
Not even
normal
her time.
person.
Give
even get
up.
hope.
Take him off her leash.
No, I just,
believe her.
any other person
She
could
just
say,
saying,
okay, 6 foot, like because she don't they talk say na her dream man be that, but person will be like make dwarf. They imagine say, okay, you know it's now model
Yeah,
I want,
model,
and it's
yeah.
very unlikely for human eye say that one feel happen. But the girl say, okay, you know it's I go continue. Even at that point, self when she and the guy been they date, a lot of people for her condition for things say the guy just they play him. So they're not gonna take him seriously. Or then go just they do the guy say, I bet leave me, I mean you won't deceive that kind of thing. But she's stable. Like my sister, I follow
I'm
your
proud
lead.
of her. I'm happy.
I follow your lead.
Yeah, I'm proud of her. I'm
Yes.
happy.
No, the truth about the whole
It
thing,
takes,
so people
but
know
it
they
might tell
get-
you, it takes you now convincing yourself that yes, this thing will happen.
You also have
Yeah.
one talk
You
now. Some
understand?
people
Because
don't get that
I
mind.
tell you, sometimes you go say, oh, if it happen and it no can happen, at the end of the day, you're day heartbroken. So for the man, in short, people could praise the man to fit stay till he marry her because it takes somebody way in IQ day like this, look
We
beyond
don't,
the
we
small.
don't need to praise the man. The man know what he wants.
Yeah, but it
Because
takes somebody.
of course, to me, he don't see models. He don't see different people where he be say.
Now it's not exactly.
Normal, you and me go say, oh, what's he find for this small girl? Where you know see for this other normal girls, but the guy know what he wants.
Well, imagine they carry a wife for shoulder. Oh, so you imagine the woman could just depend on it. What do you want to eat?
Now, wife no be picking.
So, oh my God, God, you're awesome. Toilet to Baba
he's
God.
really awesome. For me, this one just shows say, no matter the situation where you're in or the condition where you're in, where you feel say,
Feel.
me, I would never
Your
get
own are
married.
fine.
You see Betiana or Amaka or Quimby or me, and you say, this girl's too fine, and then go actually see us. But me, because of what I get, or because of how small I be, I not go see us. But there is always someone for you.
You know, saying that the ugly ones they marry quick pass.
Hey!
You don't
I
come.
get,
Are you ugly? Why you
no,
raise your hand
wait.
up?
To get something. No, wait till she talk.
But don't come.
I remember something where person tell me where we dey inside camp. I dey go and we dey doing this wedding plan and everything. Then the driver tell me say, you too fine. Oh. Now I look am. I try face. He say, your husband try. I look am again.
If they try to tell you, say you don't find it.
Wait. Then I try say, okay. Thank you. I can't smile. Thank you. See, my wife. They say my wife fine like this. I know if you leave, I make sure they waka go anywhere.
Can you imagine?
I'm not the bad again. I say, oh wait, so what's happened to your wife? They say, I make sure I don't marry the guy who go find too much. My wife knows to find like that too. My brother say, how this man take happy get that? As it is very comfortable. say you no marry person wey fine. He say I no wan marry fine wife. See my wife, she don't fine. No, I just dey there because if I see another man with my wife like this, I go fit kill that man.
Jesus.
Say that ain't make me look for the one where people know where to they look.
No, it's not even about being surprised.
Even have the
It
children
happen.
condition.
Even to girls too. Even to girls. I don't see some girls who not fit marry fine man because they're not fit for wahala. And I just say now vice versa. Now both for the men and women.
When you say
the
wahala, that wahala na wetin.
They don't
Really,
want
everybody
the fact
get
say
problem for
every
life.
girl go they attracted
I
to
tell
the
you
fine
something
man.
about that,
And even
those
wait, let me
people.
just land. And even for the man where they actually go for ladies where actually they
No,
very
today.
ugly. They don't want the one where they drag their wife with any other woman, with any other man. I don't see person too like wetin you talk where actually marry ugly wife. Now, you marry ugly wife with this mentality where Amaka say this particular man get. But you know what thing they actually happen? You know they go house. The wife just did there, they born pikin. You know they go house.
Because not be the dream where you
because
get
not be the
with
dream
that.
where you get. Because it's not, yes, even though say you marry a woman where man not they look. At a point, it
Even
will
he
tire
himself,
you.
you know if he can't look the woman.
Yes, at a point it will tire you. Because you
Because
you think
pregnancy
of
go
look.
change her shape, the
Hey.
size of the body go down, every other thing where you say now you attract
even fit
you.
this figure.
Not be even matter of pregnancy. For me, even the women
No, I
when they
just
talk,
dey talk,
say,
na
the women when they
process.
talk say, oh, I know if you marry ugly man. At the end of the day, then still they find man where he be say go still hold, he go hold it for inside pocket, but he no fine. But nowadays people know they go for the fine men, not be fine with one shot. Then they go for the ones where hold it. So
Yeah.
at the end of the day, then still they follow your husband. So why not even marry your dream so that if they follow him, you still know say,
So
oh, at least
there was a
though,
dream there.
I console myself.
All right, while you are busy searching for the fine or the ugly one,
Or
I
the
just give you
dream
this
man.
story. My auntie, they look for a fine man. Say she don't want to marry fine man. I dey look for fine man. I dey look for fine man. And so she reach 40 something. She not see husband. And the kind of ugly man where she married. And so the man short for grand. Anyway, we need to pass now. When we come back, we gonna give you 5 signs to show say you get OCD. We dey come back.
I thank God say that girl no know you. She for not marry her dream.
I'm
husband.
telling you.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.